In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page. This can be incredibly useful if you're working on a document with a title page or a table of contents and want your page numbering to start later in the document. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your web browser. Simply type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that next. Click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the Google homepage. Enter your email address, click Next, type in your password, and click Next again. Once logged in, navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by clicking the small box made up of 9 dots in the upper right corner of the Google page and selecting Google Docs from the list of apps. After that, open the document you want to edit by clicking on it from your list of documents or creating a new one if you are starting from scratch. Now that your document is open, look to the top menu bar and click on Insert. Hover over the Break option and from the extended menu, select Section Break, Next Page. This action is crucial as it allows you to break your document into sections, giving you more control over formatting in different parts. Next, you'll need to click on the header or footer, depending on where you want your page numbers to appear, above or below your text. Double-clicking this area opens the header and footer editor. Here, you'll see an option that says Link to Previous. Uncheck this box. Disabling the link ensures that the header or footer you're currently editing is not connected to the previous section, allowing you to have unique formatting or numbers starting from this particular section. After unlinking, go back to the Insert menu at the top of the page. Choose Page Numbers from the drop-down options. This will provide you with several styles of page numbering to select from. Go ahead and pick the system you prefer. You'll also see an option labeled Page Count. This is what allows you to dictate where your numbering starts. Click it to open the page numbering options. In the Start At box, enter the number you want to begin your numbering with, typically starting with 1 if it's the beginning of a new section. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking Apply. And there you have it. Your document will now have page numbers starting exactly where you want. This method provides a clean and professional look to your projects by ensuring your pages are formatted just the way you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.